Have you ever wondered what it truly means to live life at the highest level? Most people think it means luxury, success, freedom, the ability to do whatever you want whenever you want. But when I really sat with that one question, what does living at the highest level actually feel like? The answer was very different. It's not always loud, it's not always visible. It's not just about how big your life looks, it's about how aligned it is. To me, living at the highest level starts with one thing, and that's alignment. When your inner world and your outer world are in sync, your values match your actions, your time reflects your priorities, your energy goes into things that matter, not just things that impress. Alignment means you don't need to pretend, you don't need to keep up. It's when you stop outsourcing your decisions to trends and start choosing based on truth. You begin to feel peace, not because life got easier, but because you got clearer. The second layer is emotional mastery. Now, let's be honest, life throws curveballs. People disappoint, expectations hurt, but the way we respond, that's what defines us. Living at the highest level is not about being unshakable, it's about being able to come back to center again and again. It's when you don't spiral every time something doesn't go your way. It's when your peace is no longer held hostage by the world outside you. You stop reacting impulsively and you start responding wisely. Then comes discipline. I know the word doesn't sound sexy, but the truth is, discipline is freedom. Not the rigid, extreme version, but the one that helps you say no to distractions, no to unnecessary noise, no to the easy road that leads nowhere. It's the discipline to take care of your health even when you are tired, to wake up and create even when you feel uninspired, to choose the long game when the short term dopamine is so tempting. Discipline helps you build momentum, and momentum builds confidence, and that confidence, that's the fuel of high level living. And let's talk about wealth, because living at a high level isn't just about net worth. It's about time freedom, it's about mental clarity, it's about relationships that feel safe and soulful. Real wealth is when you can take a walk without your phone, when you can look in the mirror and respect who you have become, when you no longer chase things, you attract what belongs to you. At the highest level, wealth is no longer just a number, it becomes a state of being. And here's the final layer, service. At some point, your journey becomes bigger than you. You are not just working for survival or status, you are here to contribute. Your lessons, your failures, your breakthroughs, they start lighting the path for someone else. You move from what can I get to how can I give. And the more you give, the more meaningful your life becomes. So when I say living life at the highest level, I'm not talking about being perfect. I'm talking about being whole, about waking up with clarity, showing up with courage, and going to bed with peace. Becoming the kind of person your younger self would admire and your older self would thank. I will leave you with this question. Where in your life are you settling for average, not just because you lack potential, but because you have forgotten your power? If this message connected with you, I invite you to take one small step today, something that pulls you back into alignment. And if you would like to explore this deeper, we host a live session every Saturday evening. Link is in the description. Would love to see you there. Bye-bye.